Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is a tutorial on how to do the box braid with curly hands, also known as the goddess braid. So just parting the hair right now. I'm prepping the hair before braiding, and I'm just sectioning into the desired size, and she's getting like a small medium size. So I'll be using two different kinds of hair, the Supreme Expression hair and also the Featureless Go-Go Curl hair, and that comes in 18 inches. So I cut the Go-Go Curl hair into two equal parts. So each part is like 9 inches. So I will be using the curly hair for the ends of the box braid. And if you're interested in getting the hair, the link will be in the description button down below. Please check the description box on where you can get all the product used in this tutorial down below. So you're just gonna start off by doing the box braid first, and you're gonna braid it all the way down to like the 3/4 of the hair before adding the curly hair at the hands. So right now I just took a strand of the curly hair, and I'm just gonna attach it into the middle of the box braid, and you're gonna keep braiding until you're sure it's secured enough and it's not going anywhere. And you're just gonna take a strand. You're gonna make sure you're measuring it with the other braids you've done so it's equal lengths by the time you're done. So you're just gonna tie a knot, and you can also use a glue or you can use a lighter to seal the hands, and I will be showing you that shortly. Done tying the knot. I tied the knot for about 3 to 4 times. You're just going to take your lighter and just bond the hands, and like I said, you can also use the glue. And when you're done, you're just going to cut out the remaining piece of the expression hair, and this is what it should have. just gonna take your setting lotion and apply it on the roots of the braids of the hair. This seals the hair and also reduces any frizziness from the extension hair. And I'm gonna add some mousse to the ends as well. And I also recommend the mousse in maintaining the styles once in a while to maintain the curly hair because it's synthetic. So you make sure you're putting in the mousse to detangle it to avoid any frizziness or tangling. And I'm also gonna go in with the scissors to trim it just to make sure it's very neat looking. And when you're done trimming, you're just gonna moisturize with olive oil, and you can also apply some Google Coal on the curly ends. It's optional, it's not necessary, and just want to make sure the scalp and the roots is moisturized so it's not dry and itchy. And the last step is to style as desired. And here is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think about this look. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel if this is your first time for more videos. My Facebook and Instagram page is at sawdat112. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Have a blessed week. Bye.